Look at that. Right, we're out and about with Farley. I can hear lots of noises in the sky. So we're going to go and investigate. We're going to go and walk towards them. Hear it? Woo! Right, we're going to go and walk towards them and find out. Look at that. What the noises are. Very strange noises. It's got some echo on it and all. Hear that, Farley? Oh my God. That's proper loud, isn't it?
Don't film me.
Look at that one, Farley. Did you hear it? Now all that loud noise, I'm going to show you what it is now. Danger, keep off. We're going to have a look. See what it is. Oh God. That's scary noises. All it is a building site. Can't really see because it's like some kind of mechanical digger. Yeah, look. That shows you, doesn't it, what all these noises are. Proper. See you later.